Do you have leftover spools of wire and don't want to throw money away? Tired of the difficult task of stripping scrap wire with scissors or a utility knife? Introducing the Zoda Tools Wire Stripper. Zoda's revolutionary design makes recycling copper wire quick, easy, and very affordable. The Zoda Wire Stripper is a must-have tool for electricians, contractors, heating and air conditioning installers, repairmen, and the do-it-yourself homeowner. Anyone who ends up with more wire than needed, not enough left on the spool for the next job, or scrappers wanting to earn extra cash the easy way. There's a big demand for recycled copper, and scrap wire can be found everywhere in production facilities, manufacturing plants, automobile shops, or even after a disaster when community cleanup efforts find scrap wire in abundance. Don't discard the hundreds or even thousands of feet of old wire that you are putting in the trash. Don't let it go to waste.
Problem with copper is that it's not worth scrapping unless you can get that sheathing off from it. So once you get the sheathing off, which this tool accomplishes, and it does all the several different types of copper, even the small stuff, you can actually earn and pay for this thing in one setting of stripping copper.
Do your part to help the environment and go green. Recycling plants will pay top dollar for stripped wire.
We get 40, 50 customers a day in here. And all I gotta do is show somebody, if they have a lot of wire, mostly like electricians, their cutoffs and things like that. All you have to do is show them one time how quick it is, and they want one. If you have 100 pounds of wire, I pay you $100 for the wire. If you were to strip it, you could make $300, depending on the type of wire. Most of the time it's a 20-30% increase for the consumer.
Use the Zoda Recycle and put 30% more cash in your pocket. The Zoda Wire Stripper is made in the USA and comes with 8 wire guides for stripping solid and stranded wire, 16 gauge, 8 gauge, and also 10, 12, and 14 gauge Romex type wiring. Simply choose the correct size wire guide to hold the wire in place on the center cutting blade. Insert the wire into the back of the guide, pulling out the front by gripping with a pair of pliers. Apply a small amount of pressure using your thumb and index finger at the center of the body. Press down, pull, and let the Zoda Wire Stripper do the rest. The process uses a standard utility knife blade, sold separately, on top of the wire for an accurate cut. Stop throwing money away, hurting yourself, and creating a mess. Order your Zoda today. Buy the unit or buy the truckload. The Zoda Tools Wire Stripper makes recycling copper wire quick, easy, and very affordable. Wholesalers wanted.